Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to stake your crypto assets on the Kraken platform in order to earn interest on your holdings. So let's get started. Alright, so I've got myself logged into my Kraken account, and you can see I have some holdings here in various cryptocurrencies, but they're just kind of sitting there, not earning any interest at all. Of course, they may appreciate in value, but why just let them do that when you can also earn interest? So in order to do that, you would go over here to the staking area. We'll just click on staking, and you can see they have several assets that are available for staking. Now, I don't have all of these assets, and I have some other assets that aren't eligible, but I do have Polkadot. So I'm going to go ahead and stake my Polkadot. I'll just click stake here. All right, and then you can see I've got an available 34.8 Polkadot. So I'll just click max here, and then I'll click stake. You'll notice this gives 12% yearly yield, so it's very good compared to what you're getting from normal bank accounts. All right, now you can unstake these at any time, and they'll unstake almost instantaneously. They'll just take a few minutes. So there won't be any unbonding period like you would with native staking on the platform itself. So let's go ahead and hit stake here. And there we go. I've got those assets staked. And then it'll probably take about 10 minutes to show up in my staking balances. All right, and just be aware that the asset will not show up in your list of assets in the funding page, which just means that you can't sell the asset until you have unstaked it. Now, if you decided you wanted to only stake 50% of it and then leave it over here in assets if you think you want a quick sale, that's fine too. But it only takes about 10 minutes to stake and unstake. So there's no problem with just leaving it staked. If you decide you want to sell your asset, just go over to the staking area and unstake it. All right, and now you can see on my funding page that the staking amount is showing up as being staked. I can go over here and check it as well. Right, and it says it's got the balance of my Polkadot that's being staked and the US dollar value. So there we go. It's pretty simple, and like I said, you can unstake at any time. These three dots over here give you the control to unstake, and it takes about the same amount of time to unstake as to stake. It's about 10 minutes, less actually. So very simple, easy way to earn interest on the assets that you are holding in your Kraken account. All right, and you can see on this other account here that I'm staking Polkadot and Kava in this account, and it has the amounts that are being staked and then the total accumulated rewards. You'll notice you're getting paid in the token itself. So as you stake, your holdings will grow. And it looks like the staking rewards come in periodically into your account. Notice also you can go over here to the three dots to not only unstake, but add more assets. You can do that in settings here. Add assets or unstake. And then notice the grow rewards is on. That's the program that will auto compound your rewards. It just feeds them right back into your total and allows you to continuously earn rewards and restake them into the total. Right, and let's see what else with Kava here. Looks like grow rewards is on for Kava as well. All right, so if there's any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.